I can go slow ahead. Come on down and chump some of this.
Welcome to another unboxing. We have the Scariest Dangerous Creature Shark Gacha by Yell to open. These are out now at online retailers. Click the link in the description to order. And please give this video a like, and then consider subscribing to the channel. There are 5 in this series to collect. There are no known ratios or listed chase, but as always, that doesn't mean there aren't any. On to only orb. It's a goblin shark. So these are actually cable and card holders, and we got the goblin shark. One ugly weird looking sucker in a series of only 5 where a great white, mako or hammerhead were up for grabs. We got a goblin shark. Like really? Otherwise they arrive in 2 pieces, so no complicated assembly. The sculpting is pretty good and the paint okay for a limited palette. As a card holder they get a little lost and unidentifiable as a shark. As a cable holder, you'll need a pretty slack cable, but blue tack will still be needed to hold the holder in place, since they have no weight. So pretty ineffective for their proposed purpose. However, blue tack to the wall, they do look quite cool. Even an ugly weird goblin shark. But for now, that's all we have time for.